and I have a lifelong passion for cooking. I'm a wife, a mother of 4, and a strong advocate for a vegan, plant-based, organic lifestyle. Over the last 10 years, I've been honing in my vegan, plant-based skills, and I'm here to bring them to you in my Plant Beach Family Kitchen. Hi, and welcome to another episode of my Plant Beach Family Kitchen. Now, today I'm going to teach you how to make a quick vegan sour cream. In my prior episodes, I teach you how to make a coconut yogurt from real coconuts, and then to take that coconut yogurt and make sour cream. But sometimes life is busy, we're in a pinch, and this is a quick way to do it. I, at home, like to do it with the fresh coconut yogurt, but sometimes, you know, you're putting together a quick party and you need sour cream for tomorrow, you don't have time to make the yogurt, so nevertheless, or maybe you just don't want to go through hacking up all those coconuts. This is your answer. So, in the blender we have 1.5 cups of soaked cashews. We have 1 can of coconut milk. And again, I like this brand because I've done the research, and this Native Forest does not use BPA or BPS in their cans, and I've got written paperwork on that. So I'm okay with using it. So the 1 can of coconut milk will go in there. Could have opened that can a little better. There we go. And a little bit of honey. Again, if honey is something you do not use, feel free to put a little bit of maple syrup in here. I just find that the honey works a little bit better. I don't typically use honey in a ton of things, but in this recipe I do. Okay, and a scant teaspoon of probiotics. And I'm going to show this to you again. I get mine from natural-lifestyles.org. This probiotic is one of my favorites. Probiotics are not created equal, so this is the one I use, and it is never failed. It's vegan and I like it. So there you go. So some information for you there. So everything is in the blender, and then we're going to turn it on. Okay, so you just mix it, put it all together. And you can see this texture right here. It's come together. It's no longer grainy. It has a smoothness to it. It's a little bit loose, but that's okay, because when the probiotics start to do their magic, it will, it'll thicken up. So you just go ahead and leave it, put it in a glass jar, and what you want to do is take the lid and just leave it so it's loose. You don't want to screw it on all the way. You want it to be able to, you know, breathe a little bit. And what's happening is once it cultures, it's pulling all the bacteria from your environment. It's culturing them, and then when you eat it, you're developing gut health. So this is a quick sour cream. You just want to leave it out on your counter overnight, and then you can use it in any application that you would sour cream. Please refer to the sour cream, coconut sour cream video that we have on YouTube, and I show you how to make the sour cream and onion dip there. So thanks again. Hope you use this. Be sure to like us, be sure to subscribe, and let me know what you're interested in seeing.